Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is the before of the linen closet. There was actually stuff like crammed in here on the shelves. There was actually a lot more, but you can't see that because we had already started pulling things out when I found my camera to film this. So all of this was shoved in there as well. So I'm just gonna start going through everything, checking sizes. All of this is literally just bed sheets, comforters, throws, pillowcases, just extra blankets and sheets that we have for our beds. And we do have 7 beds total in our house, so we do have a lot. So I just started going through everything and seeing what we use and what we don't use any longer, and we're going to donate the extras to a resource center in the area called Fortify. We use them because we are a foster family and they cater to foster families. Basically, it's like a consignment store for foster families to bring their foster children to get anything that they need, furniture, clothes, toys, and they do take donations for money and beds, and I'm sure they can use bed sheets as well. So we have more than enough right now, so we are going to donate to them. And I use that resource center so I know that they are legit and everything is free to the foster families. And it's been a great resource for us, so I don't feel bad giving back to them. So I just started going through everything one by one, taking out the things that we no longer use, and I decided to keep 2 sets of sheets for every bed in the home. So every bed had a set of sheets on it currently, and then I kept 1 set of extra sheets for when it's laundry. Because that's truly all you really need for each bed is 2 sets of sheets. Even maybe just 1, but I like to have 2 just in case. We have toddlers, and if they pee in the bed overnight, then you'd like to have some dry sheets to throw on there. So we have 2 sets for every bed now, and I just put the ones in the pile that we haven't used in a long time. A lot of the ones that we had were donated. My mom either gave them to us, or my mother-in-law, she just moved from Georgia to New Jersey, and she gave us a ton of extra linens because we are doing foster care, and we kept the ones that we liked and we got rid of the ones that we won't be using. So. Miss Reagan dressed herself that day. Her dress is on backwards, but she tried, right? And then she's got bedhead because she had just woke up from a nap whenever I was filming this. She's so cute. She's such a great little helper. So my mom was visiting when I filmed this, and I was folding and putting the things that I wanted to keep in a pile, and she was putting them in the closet neatly for me while I went through everything. And another great tip is to fold your sheets and slide them into the matching pillowcase to keep it all neatly together. I love this tip. I think I saw it on Pinterest or something, but it really helps me out to keep everything together. So this is the pile that we are donating, and the next pile is the pile that we are keeping that my mom hasn't put away yet. So that's everything, and we're just gonna put that. These are also ones that we will be keeping. There's mattress protectors and things. And this is the empty closet. Well, it was empty, but we started putting things in. This is an outdoor blanket that folds up into a baggie, and I love this thing. I got it at Walmart. It's super awesome. So this is how we put everything. At the top is the mattress protectors, throws, pillowcases, sheets, and the big comforters are on the bottom. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.